can fill your bucket with dirt. Okay, this is too small, but for showing it's enough. You can fill it with dirt, and then you don't have to carry it. You can take it this and go away very easily. I think it's better to carry 2 heavy buckets, only to let them slide here to the sluice. You know, but sometimes I see people who carry 1 heavy bucket and hurts their neck. 2 buckets are better. 2 buckets with half of the weight of 1, or if you have time, if you have trees, if you have thick branches higher than this, about 2.5 meter, 3 meter, and paracord. This paracord carries about, I guess, 100 kilo, 1 bucket about 20-25 kilo, so you can easy take 1 or 2 and pull them to the side, or you use another paracord and you know what I mean. Hello my friends, here I'm on woods again. Today I want to show how to make gold mining easier at the creek, to handle the dirt and maybe a recirculating system. It's my first try, and so we will see. I hope you enjoy this, and always please thumbs up and comment, and if you are not my follower, please subscribe and follow me. Okay, you make a hole. Then you put the thicker branch in. Take some heavy stones, protect, set the big stones here, close it a little bit and protect them here. That's the branch, and move. Then you take the paracord, fix it. I guess it's too not stable enough, but for demonstration it may hold. Okay, that's not a good idea. Okay. And then you go to the place. Put it in the hole. Bigger stones. Fix it here. It's only to show it. Now you see it. It's here. So it's not very much. It's about 10 meters. But I show you the system. With a bucket. I don't know, it's a Carbine in Germany. Then fix it. Now take it. So fill it with dirt and then very easily so you easy can carry the dirt.